At Western Community College, opportunity begins with access. Education here goes beyond textbooks. It's centered on practical skills, career readiness, and a brighter future. The college takes pride in shaping the workforce of tomorrow across British Columbia. Each program at WCC opens new doors. Let's take a moment to explore a few that are already changing lives.
Here at Western, our ECE program is extremely important to us. Students really get an opportunity to build meaningful connections with others, and they really are able to bring their experiences to the classroom, especially when they are doing in-class learning, such as for work, presentations, and the hands-on activities as well.
As Canada's population is aging, HCAs are high in demand. Healthcare Assistant Program at WCC provides comprehensive learning instructions which combines of classroom training along with hands-on training. It also includes lab and 270 hours of practicum, which includes long-term care and assisted living.
I'm the Chief Flight Instructor at Western Community College with our flight training program for commercial pilots. Really excited about the beginning of this program, which is geared towards pilots who want a career in aviation. It's the stepping stone, it's the beginning. And this is a place to start. We've got great aircraft. Location is excellent. We're at an international airport.
I welcome you to Western Community College, a hub of hospitality education in Surrey.
Our campus is equipped with the latest technology and learning spaces designed to simulate the real-world hospitality environment.
We extend learning beyond the classrooms by organizing and participating into job fairs, as well as taking our students on field trips, which surely enhances their learning experience.
For many, WCC is more than just a college. It's the start of something life-changing. Here's what that journey sounds like from the students themselves.
Western Community College had a profound impact into my life. Starting here in Canada as a student again, there's a lot of worries, but WCC welcomed me with open arms and made me feel like I'm at home.
With the amount of students that are in the classroom, they are really hands-on, so the instructor can really do one-on-one on you. Say you lack in this aspect or you lack in this technique. Ask your instructor to help you because that's what they're there for.
Delivering with care and every touch. I'm proud to be a healthcare assistant.
At WCC, I mastered the art of hospitality management, and this program is the recipe for my success in hospitality industry, thanks to WCC.
Balancing work and school seems impossible. Thanks to the flexible schedules, I'm chasing my dreams without compromise.
That journey now includes Seabird College. Through a proud partnership with the Seabird Island Band, WCC delivers programs directly at Seabird, helping students learn in their own community and give back to it. From classrooms to practicum, students are gaining skills that make a difference where it matters most. With more than 8 campuses across the Lower Mainland, Western Community College remains deeply rooted in the communities it serves. Located in the heart of Surrey's Health and Technology District, the City Centre 3 campus is already preparing students for real-world careers. The upcoming City Centre 4 campus will extend this vision with more space, innovation, and opportunity. Looking ahead, the City Centre 5 student housing facility will offer over 700 beds, providing a supportive environment where students can live, learn, and thrive. With over 65 programs tailored to industry needs, students benefit from experienced instructors and immersive skills-based learning. Western Community College, where opportunity begins.